Here's how to quit with Nicorette Gum. Nicorette chewing gum helps actively fight cravings when quitting smoking. Nicorette Gum helps you quit when you are ready. Choose from fresh mint, icy white and fruit fusion flavors. Nicorette Icy White Gum also helps to improve teeth whiteness. Choose from 2 or 4 mg strength gum depending on your level of addiction. The 2 mg gum is right for you if you smoke fewer than 20 cigarettes per day. If you smoke more than 20 cigarettes a day, you should go for the 4 mg gum. Here's how to get the best results using Nicorette Gum. Chew a piece of gum every time you feel the urge to smoke, up to 15 gums per day. Chew it slowly until a strong taste is released. Stop chewing and then rest the gum between your gums and your cheek. When the taste is gone, start to chew the gum again. Chewing activates the nicotine release. Continue this process for 30 minutes. Over time, you should need to use the gum less frequently to contain your nicotine cravings and withdrawal symptoms until you have quit for good. Are you ready to quit for good? Choose the Nicorette format that is right for you.